Alright, here we go. I don't see anybody coming.
Skipper, you got a golf cart holding short Charlie 523 for departing traffic.
About the right rudder. 70. Away we go. Flaps up. .330 on the heading. Turn to 330.
Wilmington approach, Stationair 10457.
Stationair 10457, Wilmington departure, ident.
457, and warning to turn to 330 out at 1400.
Stationair 457, radar contact, 1 mile west of the Cape Fear Jetport, turn right heading 360, maintain 3000.
360, 3000, 457.
One to go. Alright guys. That's it for the departure.
King 930 Mike Spec.
Here's the weather I'm looking at on the chart.
24 over.
We're going to go around. So stay tuned till we get to Greensboro.
Miles and a moderate to heavy.
Alright guys, I'm back with you. I'm looking out the window at some of this dark weather off to my left. Here it is on my next red. So I am going to deviate to the right. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm deviating to the right of all this weather. Yeah, so anyways, lovely day to be flying the Stationair. Hopefully the wind's not kicking like it was down here in Greensboro, but stay tuned. Alright, we're back with you. Thought we'd put you guys up here ready to go. You guys can watch this. Famous last words, right? Been a while since I've landed a Stationair, so this might be interesting, and it's windy. It's breezy and gusty. So you guys just hang on. It's a little bumpy too.
And field's in sight for 457.
ExitJet 558, Greensboro approach, altimeter 2998, runway 23 left. Stationair 10457, cleared visual approach, runway 23 left.
Okay, cleared visual 23 left, 457.
All right. I'm going to set 3,000 feet for now. Use our power back a little bit. Oh, bumpy, bumpy, bumpy.
Cherokee 4373 Tango, contact Atlanta Center on 125.15, good day.
125, 1570 Tango, good day.
November 918 Whiskey Tango, actually disregard.
Say disregarding. All right. So far, so good. You guys see the airport out there in front of us? We are 14.5 miles
November
out.
5228 Echo,
About
6 miles from Reno.
6
turn
minutes,
left
15
heading
seconds.
360. Maintain 2,500 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS, runway 33 approach.
All right, I'm tweaking my little head. I'm flying with the
November
autopilot
28 Echo, turn
right now.
left heading
I'm in heading mode.
350 to join.
I'm just tweaking it back and forth a little bit. Try to aim at Bryan Boulevard, which is that.
Stationair 10457, contact tower 119.1, good day.
Okay, tower 191, 457, good day.
All right, here we go.
Taxi via hotel, and advise when you're ready to copy your VFR instructions.
7 Victor Zulu, clear down.
Actually, also, what altitude did you want?
Victor Zulu 3,500, that's good with you. Greensboro Tower, Stationair 10457, visual 23 left.
Stationair 10457, Greensboro Tower, runway 23 left, clear to land, wind 23011.
Okay, clear to land 23 left, 10457.
All right, we'll get to landing.
So, 7 Victor Zulu, turn left on hotel.
Number 7 Victor Zulu, affirmative, left turn on hotel, and then taxi for departure at Hotel 4. If you want full length, I can do that as well.
7 Victor Zulu, request full length.
November 7 Victor Zulu, runway 23 right.
Hey, nice when the winds are calm, so I get some feel for it. When it's windy and bumpy, makes it challenging, but hey,
Correct.
I'm up for it. What the heck, you know? We're catching downdrafts. That's why you see the nose popping up. It's in a little downdraft. It's trying to hold altitude. We get a little bit closer. We're about 10 miles out. We get a little closer. I'm going to ease down to 2,000 feet, which is pretty much pattern out to 1,900, something like that. I'll go ahead and set 2,000. We'll go ahead and ease down real slow. That's just the beeping 1,000 to go on my altitude alerter. I'll tweak it over to the left a little for Bryan Boulevard. You can see the wind is pushing us to the right. I'll give it a little more left. I get them to top it off too. kick off the autopilot. Ooh, maybe I should have left it on. He was doing better than I am. Alright, the autopilot's away. Just ease down to 2,000 feet. At times it's nice and smooth, other times it's bumpy. Airspeed jumping around. I always forget, the flaps catch me off guard, but I believe when I'm pushing the flaps, it's gonna balloon up. Whereas the Bonanza's not quite as noticeable. It does a little bit if you can just kind of hold the yoke real firm. Alright, we're well below 140, we're doing about 130. So we're going to get our first notch of flaps. Yep, there it goes. It tried to pitch up. I'm just going to hold it and let it slow. Alright, and then I can relax the yoke again. So see, it wasn't too long, but I'm going to balloon up. Go ahead and get mixture rich. We're looking for less than 120 to get the second notch of flaps. There's speed checks. We're going to go ahead and get 120. Get the second notch of flaps. Going to try to balloon up. Speed is good. It doesn't take long to get a little high on the approach, but I'll do a gradual turn to final because I'm a little high, so I'm going to try to eat up a little altitude in this turn.
Piedmont Tower 0717 Victor Zulu at hold short 23 right, ready for departure of the pattern and to the west, southwest.
November 717 Victor Zulu, maintain VFR at below 3,000. Departure frequency 124.35, squawk 5222.
At or below 3,000. 5222. 7 Victor Zulu.
November 7 Victor Zulu, verify you're ready for departure then.
There's a Honda jet on the ramp out there.
500.
There's a car behind him too, or something. What's behind him? Little tug.
Seven Victor Zulu, ready for departure 23 right.
November 717 Victor Zulu, runway 23 right.
What's going on there? Looks like security got him.
Fly runway.
Zulu, 23 right for takeoff. Thank you, ma'am. Power jet speed 848, ready 23 left.
Jet speed 848, Greensboro Tower, runway 23 left, line up and wait, traffic 6 miles to the north for the base.
Oops.
Line up and wait, 23 left, jet speed 848.
Too bad. A little high. We'll make Kilo 3.
November 457, turn, correction, say parking.
We're going to signature.
November 457, turn right at Kilo 3 and contact ground point 9er.
Kilo 3, ground point 9er, 457.
Whiskey. Are you going to be there ready to go when, or shortly after you get there?
That's thumbs up.
Got it. I'll call.
Lear 30 Golf Juliet at signature information.
All right, well,
Bravo.
thanks for flying along.
Lear 30 Golf Juliet, Greensboro, ground runway 23 left, taxi via Kilo 6.
23 left via Kilo 6, 30 Golf Juliet. And ground, Stationair 457 is off Kilo 3 going to signature.
Stationair 457 Delta Kilo, roger, and I'll get your taxi here shortly.
Roger. Alright guys, thanks for flying along. I'm not going to let you just mindlessly sit here and watch me sitting here for taxi. We've got 2 planes coming, so I got to wait for traffic. But anyways, thanks for riding along. We'll see you on the next one.